I've been thinking about human nature and how insane it is that on one hand we're so capable of creating the most amazing technological wonders. We're just capable of so many things, and yet we are seemingly unavoidably violent and cruel. How, what are we capable of, you know? What is so human nature is just both sides, overwhelming beauty and horrible cruelty. And that dichotomy and that can be just mind-boggling. Why be capable of anything at all in a situation that's so horrible? Or why be so horrible in a situation that could be so lovely? None of it really makes any sense. Is that humans? Is that our true nature? Violence? Sure seems like violence, cruelty, and then just beauty, love, progress. They all sort of go hand in hand. But an example I think of is that the first place where indoor plumbing was originated now does not have it. And that maybe humanity isn't this staircase of progress that we'd like to assume it is. And perhaps it's more of a cycle, sort of like a dance between the brilliant and the dastardly, the good and the bad. Maybe it's more of a cycle of that beauty being built up and violence tearing it down. I don't know.